Hello once again, my fans, my fellow Halloween fans, and my friends, and I'd like to welcome you to another spooky Halloween video. Again, this is something, well, pretty vintage. You don't exactly see these every day. What I want to show you guys is something that is motion activated. It's got a light sensor, so let me show you right away what I want to show you. We got a spooky skull mirror. You can see how cool that looks. So it's the mirror, and look what it does. When you're looking in the mirror, you're trying to fix your hair or fix your makeup or whatever you're looking in the mirror for, all of a sudden the sound activates and you see the skull appear. So let's show you guys a little bit of info on the back of the box. That the on and off switch is located on the back of the spooky skull mirror. Slip your finger through the hole at the bottom and slide the switch to the on position. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I took the batteries out. Uses 3 AA batteries included. And check it out, motion activated. Wave your hand and watch the skull in the mirror come alive with lights and laughter. For best performance, use only batteries recommended. Do not mix different battery types. Do not mix new and used batteries together. Remove batteries when toy is not in use, and remove exhausted batteries from toy and dispose of in accordance with the maker's recommendation. Do not attempt to recharge non-rechargeable batteries. Do not use rechargeable batteries, although adult supervision is recommended when changing batteries. For decorative purposes only, this is not a toy. Didn't it just say in toy batteries, remove the batteries from the toy? Okay, is there a date? This is Paragon Drive, Columbus, Ohio. And I'm trying to find the date, because we've had this for a real long time, going back to the 90s. See, I don't see anything on that side of the box. On this side, it just says spooky skull mirror. All right, why don't we go ahead and I'll put you guys on a tripod and we'll test it out. All right, that's a little bit better. You see the mirror. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box. Actually, let me unplug the Klingon D7. And let's see, any instructions? Nope, that's it. Everything that's in the box. Alright. So you can see the way it's made. It looks pretty nice. And looking at, let's see, turn it around, and you can see, maybe there's a date on here. Great American Manufacturer. Let's see, blah, 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 blah. No, I really don't see a date. Looks like the screw is missing. And it's been a long time since I used this. Let's see. Evidently, I had to tape the back to keep the battery compartment in place. All right, let's see if we can open it now. Yep. And we're going to put in 3. I like Duracell. And this goes back on just like that. Actually, let me show you guys the batteries. All right, now let's put it on. And so the sensor is right here. And look at the frame is pretty cool. And I'll show you guys. Well, if you're looking in the reflection and you want to check your hair or your makeup, and all of a sudden this is pretty cool. It's like a little novelty thing, you know, you put on your wall for the trick-or-treaters. Maybe you put it over the bowl of candy. I'll show you some of the frame. Got the jack-o'-lantern on the bottom. And looks like we got a skeleton coming up out of the grave. And looks like we got a goblin. And we got a bat. And looks like we got the moon on top. A couple of bats. And we got another goblin on the other side. So that's pretty cool. I know it's nothing spectacular, but like I said, this is like a little background novelty thing. And I had seen this in the box and I actually forgot about it. But like I said, usually I'll go through to see if I have any vintage Halloween stuff to show you guys. And when I had seen this, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta show you guys that. So this one, though it doesn't do much, is pretty cool. Again, I like showing you guys my vintage Halloween stuff, and I'll show you the back. On the sides, you can see how the frame is kind of glued on to like a plastic base. And you got a little hook, or a little opening where you can hang it on the wall. So, that is the spooky Halloween mirror. And again, see the reflection. And again, this is just one of those quick little videos that I just want to hopefully brighten your Halloween season, make it a little bit fun, spooky. Let the inner kid let the inner kid in you come out, especially during Halloween. Because getting old, you know, the benefits of being young, there are a lot more benefits of being an adult, but once in a while it's still fun to act like a little kid. So with that being said, happy Halloween, guys.